Rule number 1, don't slip on the way to work. Yeah. That was very helpful. This is my day in the life of a chalet host in Val d'Isere. But I keep nearly falling over, so it's going to be awful. This snow's actually really good. Nice. And also it's coming till Wednesday. Now I'm going to have wet jeans for breakfast service. Normally I do this walk alone with my politics podcast on, so this is quite nice to get to talk. I listen to The Rest is Politics. Oh, I nearly went. Again. Who's shoveling snow while it's snowing? Bless them. Oh, it's Ali. Well done, Ali. This is what a manager does at 7 a.m.
Yeah, how are you doing?
Ali, please can you tell us what you're doing this morning?
We're just seeing off all the guests, so we're just waiting for a bus, which is actually about to just pull in.
Oh, it is?
So perfect timing. And I've got drivers about to bring all the guests down.
Can you introduce us to the team?
So we've got our concierge team here. We've got Emma and we've got Ollie with us now as well. They're helping to move bags and doing the French that I can't speak to the bus drivers.
Is this your favourite day of the week?
It's the best day of the week.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
How much do you love it?
So much.
Okay, that's perfect. Okay, we're moving because there's a bus coming. This back? Yes! Hey! With me. Okay. 2. Yes.
In the bag.
In the bag is my cleaning clothes. Do you want a haul? Because can't wear this all day. I'm going to be here for like 12, 13 hours, so I need to get changed. My water bottle and my headphones to get the politics podcast on when the guests leave, so that I can buff the shower screens faster. Now we're going into 5. This is my lovely chalet. First thing you do is turn on the oven. Bam, bam, bam. And then we want bacon. 7:10. Just leave at 8:30 with having breakfast at 8. Ambience for breakfast. I don't think I'm ever going to get the cornflakes down. Thank you. Thanks very much. I don't know why I'm still whispering, the guests are awake. It's not necessary. Please don't zoom in on this pancake. The first one's always the worst. See, I just go honey. No, I'm just used to this. Seriously. Every job I've ever had, I just turned into a documentary. Weren't my pancakes really good yesterday?
Yeah.
Today,
I mean, they weren't cold, but that was my fault for getting up there.
yeah. Come on, Wilf. Let's calm down, we're on camera.
Are you doing mushrooms already?
Yeah,
And some mushrooms, please.
of course.
Can I just have 3 poached eggs, please?
3.
Yeah,
Just by itself.
Just by itself.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
But you would like bacon and mushrooms with it.
I'll just, unless you're cooking bacon, I'll just have some mushrooms.
I've got some bacon, don't worry. Tomato.
That's the key to a good restaurant.
Vinegar and attention. Attention. You've got to be patient and kind to your poached eggs. I like to have multiple things for breakfast. Like I'd rather have like sweet, savoury, maybe something special on the side, opposed to just, 7 eggs and an omelette. I don't think that's necessary. I love spicy food for breakfast. Like I would always put chili on anything. Chili on eggs is amazing. Would you agree? So have you never watched like the likes of Love Island?
No, God no.
Really?
One that I got into was the sewing bee.
Okay, so not Love Island then. I actually did watch The Sewing Bee because I quite enjoyed to sew, and also I just love the peaceful music they play in the background. It's winter TV, isn't it? Oh, I've hit the camera. Omelettes are normally... Thank you, I actually quite like your new jacket.
It's quite drippy, isn't it?
Quite drippy. That's not what I was thinking. They were so nice. It is 9 a.m. At 9 a.m, we've dropped the guests, they're in the taxi. I'm feeling melancholic because I miss them. I love them a lot. And that's how it feels every week. Yeah, I love it. Oh, is that yours?
Yeah.
Good. It's always sad. It's always sad because you spend 7 days with them and you just chill while they're eating dinner, so you get really close. However, then you get new guests. And so it's just fun with a little turnaround, right? Now we need to clean the kitchen. I'm going to eat these 2 poached eggs. And then bed stripping, bed making, hoover, communals, turn this place around, buff those windows. No, I'm not nervous. I'm calm in pressure. Under pressure? Yeah.
Pressure.
If pressure makes diamonds.
Yeah.
It's a motivational Sunday. Anyway, I need to go and strip some beds now. So I'm going to bedroom 1 and we're going to start stripping. Lights on. Stripping beds, to clarify. We're just hoovering under the sofa now because it's transfer day and it's deep clean. Live life. Live life on the edge, otherwise you're taking up too much space.
Hello.
May or may not have just turned the shower on my head, but my quick reflexes, I've only got 1 portion of wet hair, but that's a classic Sunday. The time is 10:16, time to clean.
Have you got early ETA for guests?
I do have an ETA for guests, 2:30 p.m. This is going to be done by 12. I've turned 2 showers on my head, had 0 tea breaks, and just powering through to get to 12. No cameras, please. I actually really like the smell of this stuff, so if you're interested in buying a new toilet cleaner. Can you smell that? Doesn't that smell nice? Right, seriously, you're gonna have to go. So I can actually scrub this toilet in peace. Hello.
Update?
Update status report is, it is 12:09 and we're running a bit behind.
What about
Tea towels lost 6. Beds made 4. I've stood under 2 showers. Bathrooms cleaned 4. Is that normal?
Just how we're doing. Just doing the rounds again.
It's really sunny. It's nearly there. This one's just a bit tricky because you have to be a skinny queen to fit through that gap. It's going well. All bedrooms down, done, dusted. Now we are moving on to Guinness cupcake time. We've cracked open the Guinness at 2 p.m. in the afternoon and we're making some cupcakes and we're feeling pretty relaxed. What's your word of the day?
What's yours?
Mine's splendid. We've got Guinness cupcakes, we've got a delicious fruit bowl for the guests to indulge in, tea, coffees, water, please help yourself. So they're going to be here in 10 minutes. So I should get changed and put on my shirt that doesn't have Guinness cupcake on it. George is actually greeting the guests today. George? Yeah? How do you feel about greeting the new guests? How do you feel about the new guests arriving in 10 minutes?
New guests arriving. Well, it's always quite an exciting time, really.
We have to go.
Oh, yes.
And that's our calling. Done. We're good to go. Guests, please come on in. Right, on your bike. Okay, what we're doing now is getting guest bags from the bus to their room. Loft 3? Oh.
Is that what the loft
The lift might beep beep.
Oh no.
Okay, one.
I'm going to take this one down to 5. Yeah.
Thanks, mate. See that? Coordination, collaboration. Can I carry something double my height? I may not carry this nice man's skis. This is better. Oh, thank you. Okay, let's go.
There's one more.
Next one. Thank you.
I'll use this too.
Okay. We have arrived. We're dropping one off. See you in a bit. Is this service with a smile, Henry?
Yeah. Smart. Got the ski bags.
Thank you.
That's all right.
Hello. Do we want all of them in here?
If possible, it's next
Yeah,
to the
absolutely.
top pack
We've got them all, don't worry. All done. Wipe all this stuff. Wipe. Good soup. Right now, we are just prepping for dinner. We've got the soup going, Evie's on the starters, and we've got the lamb in the oven because the guests are T-minus 30 minutes away. So we're just going to set the table, get ready for them, get some champagne out, get them all nice and cosy on their first night in Val d'Isere. Cheers to a good transfer day.
Bags in his and hers, what's hers is hers, what's mine is SOS. Somebody rescue me, they could last me the next 2 weeks.
And that was my day in the life of a chalet host in Val d'Isere. Thank you for coming. Should we shake hands?
Let's do it.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Ciao for now.
See you later.